Hello, my curious fellows. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of AI that can transform text into images. While there are several tools available, we'll focus on Leap AI for this tutorial. Begin by searching for Leap AI on your preferred search engine. Click on Get Started Free to sign up using your Google account. This is the home screen, and on the left side, you'll find various options. For this demonstration, let's explore the template design feature. Choose your preferred template. I'm opting for image with realistic vision. Click on Quick Run to initiate the process. Now take a look at the example provided. You can customize the text to command the AI. As an example, I'll change the color of the dress in the background setting. Click on Run Workflow to witness the magic unfold. Behold! The image has transformed based on the text commands. It's remarkably simple. Here you can see the result. For more insightful tutorials and informative content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.